Motormouth Jenkins here, welcoming you to our brand new YouTube channel. Hope that you'll come back and see every segment each and every week, and I will share preventative maintenance tips and regularly scheduled maintenance tips for your car. So whether you know a little bit about your car or absolutely nothing, this is the channel just for you, where I share over 35 years of experience as a qualified and licensed service technician with truck and coach, light truck and passenger vehicles. Come back and visit us and tell your friends, and we'll see you each and every week right here in the Car Connection Workshop on YouTube. Hey, Niall Motormouth Jenkins here with you on this overcast day. We've had some hot ones, man. Hot as a pepper sprout. But we're getting a little bit of a reprieve. Finishing off a job here on this 2010 Kia Borrego. What a nice machine this thing is. It is built like a tank, I gotta say. But we've been talking a lot about brakes lately, and this is a particular brake job. I gutted the back on this. You'll have to watch the videos on that are loaded. Speaking of loaded, have you got one of these? Trucker's snapback cap. You put it on, spin it around, locked, and loaded. You got your Car Connection gear yet? Head to our website, carconnectionbusinessnetwork.com. Help Skippy and I out. Buy a little bit of gear. Keep us in coffee and donuts, would you? Help us out. We'd appreciate it. Helps us to put the videos together. Today's video brought to us by City Auto Sales and Leasing, GTA's, the Greater Toronto Area's premier pre-owned auto store. You can buy with confidence and be treated with nothing less than honesty and integrity. And Earl and Louise Grant are car guys, and they've been in the business for almost 25 years. They have a lot of resources to find any vehicle that you may be looking for. They do carry a very large inventory of vehicles outside on the lot and indoor shopping as well. They have in-house leasing, so whether you got good credit, bad credit, or no credit, you know what? They're also not going to let you walk out of their store car broke. They're going to give you some options so that you don't get in too deep and end up just making the car payment but not able to maintain it. And that's important. That's what we're all about here in the Car Connection Workshop. So stop by and visit Earl and Louise Grant, City Auto Sales and Leasing in the Greater Toronto Area. Low mileage vehicles at fair prices. Let them know that Car Connection sent you. Well, what are we into? Well, I thought I'd share this with you because this is a bit of a different brake job on the front of this vehicle. On the back, we ended up replacing pads, rotors, and caliper kits. Where we were at with these front brakes was, again, if you look at the other videos that we've put together on this particular vehicle, she's recently widowed, just a little over a year, and now having to take care of her automobiles on her own without her husband. He did all the work. He was a mechanic. Somebody put brake pads in on the front, and I don't know whether they replaced the rotors. I'm going to say that they may have, but I'm going to say no based on the rust. But they're in pretty good shape, but that's not how I generally do brake jobs. I would call it and do it all. But the front brake pads are like brand spanking new. There's not much pad material missing, and the pads are worn flat. So all I did was I cleaned up the rust from the edge of the rotors, and we installed new calipers on both sides, because what we're dealing with is really, really old brake calipers. This vehicle is 15 going on 16 years old. So we bought caliper kits, which it comes just like this with new saddles, new calipers, ready to go. I took everything apart, cleaned and lubed, put it all back together. And this is a particular case where it's okay to do this. But I wanted to share that with you because it's not really the way to do it. But in this specific circumstance, brand new set of pads, I just couldn't see throwing them into the scrap. She spent a lot of money on her Dodge Ram that we had here, brakes all the way around on that, and it was a full gut job, everything front, everything back. That's what we've done on the rear. I thought if we could save her a few bucks, we could do it here and still have a vehicle safe for the road. So the brakes are all done now. We just have to bleed the front brakes, put the wheels on, torque them to spec. We've done a tune-up on it. You'll see that video about how important it is to stay on top of your vehicle maintenance, because when you don't, neglect will cost you an arm and a leg. And more money for parts, more money for labor. Think about it. What would you prefer? Saving money on parts and additional labor, putting money towards other things that you need to take care of? But you know what? Regular vehicle maintenance will save you a lot of headaches and heartaches and hard-earned cash. So till next time, don't forget to like, share, follow, and put your comments down below on our videos. And also subscribe. It's free. Hit the notification bell so that you know when we drop new videos every week. 3 per week, 2 on Tuesday, 1 on Friday, every single week. And you'll also be notified when we go live streaming on our YouTube channel as well. Like and follow us on Facebook at Niall Motormouth Jenkins. And you'll see videos there that you won't see anywhere else. So check us out also in a small town website we have here for Stevensville, on the web.ca. Click on the businesses tab on the home page and you'll find us, and you'll find outtakes, bloopers, chaos, and weird stuff that you won't see anywhere else. So till next time, keep it under 100. Happy motoring. Put the coffee on. We're going to come to your house. Well, thank you for stopping by the Car Connection Workshop right here on YouTube. Don't forget to come back and join us for another segment. So like, share, tag, and follow, and ding that bell so that you don't miss a single edition of Car Connection. So till next time, keep it under 100 and put the coffee on, because we're coming to your house.